One of Kikuyu's top Mugithi artists was sadly involved in a road accident on Saturday morning. Ndeto irekereire na gukora gikonfirmwo ni fellow Mugithi artist Sarafina Salim na oho ndeto igitigite a Kenya na aini na kieha muno magicakaya ndwari irekete kugumira umwe wao. Well-known Kikuyu gospel artist Rebecca Moses is sadly unwell akigumirwo ni ndwari ya cancer muthemba wa cervical cancer iria iramutigite akomete thibitari na kwa ihinda riri she is currently appealing to Kenyans akinyitanira na aini makoro makimusupport in raising funds for her treatment. Rebecca Moses ule wanakorwa kihuso ginya tafarira-ini nene muno ya rurumuka ni a DJ Covenant na gikorwa kirathima a Kenya na njira ya mwanya muno na nyimbo ciake o wanakorwa kina ginya na Magishi. They have done a collab with Magishi na ni muini ukiwikaine, but sadly and unfortunately ni arakorirwo akigumirwo ni ndwari ya cancer na kuri muthenya wa ira aini matiganite matongoretio ni Karango Muraya ni marakorirwo makiyumiria na njira nene muno mukawa-ini wa Blue Springs in support of Rebecca Moses for her fundraiser na ona ginya mbireyo ajeri wa muigaini makoretwo mamucerera mucii gwake and also held an online fundraiser mena a Kenyanya na a charity wa Ruino awairumo muciri just to name a few na makiyumiria na njira nene muno in support of Rebecca Moses ihinda-ini riri ritu na tukamuhoera kuhona kuona ihenya. May God restore back her health. Na riu kuri ndeto irekete kurekererio ni muini Sarafina Salim nyarakorirwo akiumbura ati her brother uria niwe Salim Young muini we ngumo muno nyarakorirwo agitungana mutino wa ngari yesterday morning Saturday na auburite ati ndarari wika arari na kana ngari-ini kana karia Sarafina Salim augite ati it's her nephew na koguo gaotika gukorwo ni kana ga Salim Young no niugite ati eri ni marakorirwo makiona ka mutino-ini uyu, this being the wreckage of the car. Na ndomiriri ya Sarafina Salim irathoma with thank you Lord for protecting my brother Salim Young and my nephew during the car accident this morning. Na a Kenya na mafans nimeyumirite na njira nene muno gucokeria Ngai ngatho for saving Salim Young's life in this accident. Na ndugakiriganirwo gu subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news.